I was in the middle of the woods with my trusty companion Charlie when I suddenly realized I had forgotten to pack some essential gear. I needed a knife to cut some wood for the fire, and I also needed it to open some cans of food I had brought with me. Luckily, I remembered that I had recently bought a Huusk knife, which I had used at home and loved it. I knew this knife was not only great for the kitchen, but it was also designed for outdoor use, making it perfect for camping. I quickly grabbed the Huusk knife from my bag and went to work. It was amazing how easy it was to cut through the wood with the sharp blade, and the ergonomic design made it comfortable to hold for extended periods. Thanks to the sharp and reliable Huusk knife, I was able to save our lives that day. I don't know what would have happened if I didn't have such a high-quality knife with me. So, guys, if you're planning on going camping or doing any outdoor activity, I strongly suggest you invest in a Huusk knife. You never know when you might need it,